Introducing MaeGo, the world's first AI robot car for target shooting game and coding. Together with its blaster, it can transform any location into a fun and exciting battlefield. MaeGo's autonomous system automatically detects and avoids any obstacle. See MaeGo's health in real time as it takes hits. MaeGo is engaging and fun. Place programmable signs to allow MaeGo to gain 1 health or fully recover. You make the rules. Lock, load, and shoot your target down. Want more? Upgrade your battlefield, design your own game. And play with your friends. Work together to defeat all the enemies. Program MaeGo with your phone. Practice your coding. Discover all of MaeGo's programmable features and unlock your potential.